Howdy, welcome to the TAMUmake YouTube channel. This channel serves as the main place for IEEE to upload videos of physical and video workshops for the purpose of TAMUmake in the spring. Informational videos to prepare you for TAMUmake will be uploaded every other week on various topics. So, what is TAMUmake? TAMUmake is a hardware-focused hackathon where Texas A&M students can borrow and or bring hardware to build projects. Maybe you want to build the next Alexa, or maybe an autonomous RC car. You can do that. In a span of 2 days, you'll be in a team of 4 people, either formed prior or at the event. At the end of 24 hours, our judges will pick our top 3 winners for TAMUmake, and various prizes will be given out. For more information about TAMUmake, go to our official site at TAMUmake.com. Here you can find more information about TAMUmake and follow our social media listed at the bottom of the page. TAMUmake signups open in October, and the event is held the following semester in February. TAMUmake is open to all Texas A&M students regardless of major or experience. And most importantly, remember to have fun.